Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the Riddle bubble locations in Heartopia to get a free special emote from the new Modular Street Week 3 event. So right now Heartopia has a Modular Street as a new event, and then in here there is a store visiting riddles. That in here you can solve the riddle bubble that's scattered around the map, and in here you can unlock free emotes, and one of them is this fashion recommender for the static emote for the new bricks emotes like this. And for these bubble locations, just go to the nearest security shops and then just go on here and then just pop the bubble, and then just like that you will get the new emote. The new emote will be added to your menu like this, and then just choose your menu, and then in here you can just use your emote like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.